Check this 2023. This is on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 144 chassis. It's the Tranquility 19L, built by Thor. It's a beautiful coach. You got the light bar on top, which is really nice. The lights down here to light things up. The body's in fantastic condition. New tires, put plenty of life on them. Black rims, which is really nice. You got all the options here. We'll look inside in a second, just showing you the body right now. But you got a nice light out here to light up stuff. This is the exhaust to your heater, your water heater. You got to plug in for extra satellites if you want, or if you have an extra panel or whatnot. Got your cable plug in here, your shore power plug right here. It has a toilet in there. We'll show you that. It's a cassette toilet. You just pop that out, pull out the cassette, and can dispose of waste. It's got the nice pop out here, so when you sleep right there, you got a little bit more room in the bed, which is really nice. This right here is a hose for gray water. You just hook it up down here, and you can drain the gray water right there. This is your propane. You use outdoors. You can turn it on and use on the other side of the port to plug in a grill. You can hook into water, city water. And also this is to fill a gravity fill. When you fill it in, fill up the tank there when you're heading out. Beautiful exterior, just a great look. Easy to clean instead of black. The only thing I noticed on the outside is there is this little dent right there. Other than that, it really is in fantastic condition. It's awesome. Got this nice awning extensions, power. Just push a button, it comes right out. Got this sweet light bar underneath there, or LED lights to light up out here while you're hanging out. The body's in excellent condition. It's got BF Goodrich KO2s with the awesome black rims. It's got the extension back here for the bed, which is really nice. It's got the steps to get up in. Really good out here. You got some plugs, some ports, so if you have to plug in something while you're cooking or other lights. You got another port down here if you want to hook up a gas stove out here while you're working out here. All right, this has a lot of options. Let's take a look at it. First off, you got this right here. Nice storage place. This is also Bluetooth speaker you can plug into and listen to outside. You got this nice place right here to store stuff. Store your shoes here, so that's nice. Got your handle here. This deals with all the power, lithium batteries, solar power on top. I'll send you a more detailed video to show you information about it. You got your plugs, your on and off switch, you have your fire extinguisher, hang your towels, upgraded countertops. These countertops are nice, but not the cheap type of stuff you have in some motorhomes, but nice. And there you have a nice sink to put in there with the beautiful faucet. You have, this is kind of a magnet, it stays right here, so you can cut on a cutting board and take that off. You got your grill to cook on, your stove, which is nice, right there. Then you move into you got a nice, reasonably sized refrigerator with a freezer. Again, beautiful tabletops. You got your nice system right there you can see on the microwave. That works nicely. So that's there. The dining and hangout area is actually quite spacious. For the size of the van, you can flip these around. It has a nice area here. You got this beautiful tabletop. You can either eat over here or over here. You can use as something to eat off. You have two seat belts right there. You got a TV that works. This swivels. So if you want to watch TV from back there in your bed, you can flip it around that way, or you can flip it this way and watch it this way. Got USB ports under these, nice charging, also regular plugs, your sensor there to make sure there's no carbon monoxide. You have a nice amount of storage here on this side. These upgraded, beautiful cabinets, which is really nice. Got cabinetry here, again, more USB ports there, which is fantastic. You also have, reasonable amount of storage here. You can put stuff in these nice big drawers, extending it out. You can put all your kitchen stuff in, so that's kind of nice. And then underneath here, it's kind of cool. You got your step to get up into your bed, and also you can put stuff in it too. That's kind of nice. So that's a nice little thing to have. Let's take a look in the bathroom. So I've opened the door here. Let's take a look inside. Got the shower curtain. You can also have this to hang clothes on if you want to dry some stuff. There's a decent amount of stuff to put your toiletries and whatnot in there. Of course, you'll remove this. This comes off. There's a shower head. When you want to use your sink, pull this down, put that over there, wash your hands, push that down so it goes into the gray water tank. You got lights and a fan inside here on the roof. You got a toilet, cassette toilet, reasonably sized. You can sit right in there. That little marker lets you know when the cassette is full. Got the nice pad, upgraded pad in here, and a fan on top. Here's a garage space. This is the real upgrade here, is the amount of space you have in the garage. You got a ladder here that can take you to the top if you need to check stuff out there, so that's nice. You have on here a port. You can connect your spray right here, so if you're at the beach or need to wash off or have a shower in the back, you can do that too. You turn the pump on right here. There's a light system on the outside that'll you can work as well. Another charging ports right here to use. Back here's all your lithium batteries. And of course you have your bed and the side windows. Nice comfortable bed. We'll look at the cabinets here in just a second. All right, let's take a look at this cool system they have in here. This nice tablet here. It basically runs everything in the coach. You can see your tank levels there. This is kind of a summary here. You can turn all your lights on, turn all your lights off. So that's pretty awesome. You can turn on your water pump, etc. It gives you the climate. Then you go to the specific areas. You can see your tanks are low there, obviously. Your awnings. This is where you push this button and it has the awning come in and out. You have your light. Let's see the system here to control the climate inside, to turn on the AC. Your lights, you can control from here to turn them on and off. It shows your battery and Then you have this kind of cool vent right here. It's actually controlled by power. You push this and it raises and lowers and turns on this fan for you while you're in here. Up here, this is for the heater, so it controls the heater. I'll send you a video again on both of these to give you more information on it. Let's step into the back. See that nice garage space back there, which is pretty awesome. And back here is a bed, so real nice. You got plenty of cabinet space here to put in your different clothing or whatnot. There's little readers, little push button on and off right there. And then you have your air conditioning right there on the ceiling. Let's check out the inside options on the Sprinter part. You got heated seats, power locks, power seats, power windows, power locks. The seat or the windows come in when you push a button. Got a couple different comfort there, great, in great condition. You got adaptive cruise control. You have all your informatics and also controls for the stereo system. You have a light bar right there to turn on and off. Audio lights there. Your 4x4 to click in and out. Start and stop push button. It's got about 20,000 miles on it. Has all kinds of beautiful options here. This is the upgraded larger screen for Mercedes. Connect your phone. You got navigation. You have all the apps that come with Mercedes. You have also 360 camera angles as well as you're backing up, which is super helpful. So that's great too. Up here, plug in for the Apple or Samsung Play. Also other outlets here to charge with. So that's great. Other places to put stuff there. You have your controls here for your heating and air conditioning here in the front. There's a separate heaters and air conditioning. Bug screens. It's pretty cool on these bug screens because they have this magnetic door. You can kind of open up, get on the inside. So just Velcros on the side. It's really nice. You can leave these back doors, and this side door has a bug screen too, which is fantastic. Just has this nice magnetic, goes back and forth. So you can leave that door open, get some airflow.